Hey guys, welcome back to RT Pro. I'm Everett and we're back in the shop with our RZR 900S. And today we're gonna put on our Nerf bars. These are very solid tubular design and they're gonna protect anything when you're out on the trail, if you slide into a tree, rocks, whatever it might be. So let's get these things on and show you what they look like. So a pretty straightforward install, 5/8 drill bit, drill through the tube with the pre-drilled holes already here. And then you'll just slide these on, take your Torx bits out, slide them through the holes there that's provided, and they're pretty much installed. So our Nerf bars look great. These things will perform really well out on the trail if you hit any stumps, rocks, branches, whatever you're going to encounter out there. If you want to learn more about these Nerf bars, go to rtpro.com. And if you want to stay up to date, go to social media and check out any new videos or product lines that's coming out. And I'll see you guys next time.